listen if you don't even listen. Listen. The WAP's got the type of slugs to make your brother go missing. The river's got the type of straps to make the police go swimming. Me niggas got that P to make a G go and hit him. Up, the ACP go and split him into pup. The 4-4 bulldog will sick him, he's fucked.
Okay, so. Hello, Wes. The DTR. About that. So I picked it up, brought it home, give it a little tidy up, you know, clean it down, stuck it on Instagram. Loads of interest straight away. People wanted to buy it, people want to swap it. So I thought, alright, we'll give it a chance, see what I can go for. Put it up for 1,300. And it's a little high because obviously it is in a bit of a state, but I want to make some money on it. So I put it up, and lad wanted to come and see it, so I'm messaging him all day, saying he wants to come and see it. He'll come and see it now, come and see it straight away. So he's like, right, I'm on the way. 3 hours later, it's a no-show. I'm like, alright then, what a waste of time that was. I'm sitting there looking at the bike. I'm going, you know what? I might just keep this. Because it is quite nice. So, the state it's in now is this. Yeah. 2 boxes of bits. Big man on guard. So, yeah, we do some work to it. Give the engine a really good clean over. Can toothbrush the whole lot. Spent about 4 hours on it. Good clean down. Tidied the electrics up because these were in absolute state. All over the place. That's the best I could really get it. I've ordered a new headstand bearing. Hopefully it'll fit. I'm praying it'll fit. I've ordered the original DTR because it's got upside down forks on it. The wheels are down at the bike shop. Get new bearings in and a new rear inner tube. 4-inch nail sticking out of the back tyre. Very nice. So I've got this carb out. Look at the state of that. But I'm going to strip it apart, take a look at it, see what's going on. There's nothing initially wrong with the bike running. It's just, I don't like looking at it. It's filthy. So, I gave most of the engine a good scrub down with this, a load of WD-40 last night. Top of the engine, side cases, all round here. I cleaned it up really nice because this was just a state. Covered in lime scale. It's still little bits, but you know, what can you do? I'm not taking the engine out because I can't be arsed for that. So, seeing as the carb's out and we've got all this room, might as well get scrubbing. Okay, so we've got a clean carb that's ready to go back in. Well, cleaner. Steering yokes are back on. Bearings done. I forgot to put this cover back on. It's meant to go in there. Oh well, fuck it. I don't think it would have fit with the new bearing anyway. Got the swing arm off. I found the stand out as well. So we're going to spray them up. I'm not too sure what colour yet. I think I'm going to do the swing arm black. I've added green hose pipe. I've had some extra hose piping, so might as well use it. I think we're going to get some new graphics on it. New seat. Spray these up. Spray them black. Get my bits back in a few days. Start putting it back together and we'll get it through the MOT. See you soon, guys.